problem, we are given a string which consists of words, and we need to reverse the words in the string. So, like in this input string, we have five words. The sky is the blue. We have to reverse the words and concatenate them with a single space and return the string. So, after you reverse the words in string, so the result would look like blue, the, is, sky, the. So this is our answer. So how do we go about solving this problem? First, we can see that we have to split the string by the spaces, and then we have to once we extract the words, and we just have to place them in a reverse order. So okay, let's say so the algorithm would look like once least. Okay, so let's say you're storing the result in a result variable, which you would initialize with an empty string. So first of all, you extract the word the, and you would store that in the result. So the result would look like the. Then you extract the word ska, right? First you extract the word the, and you added that word in the result. Then you extract the word sky, and then in the result, what we are gonna do is we're gonna uh, prepend this word. So it would be word plus result so far. So this answer would look like sky the. So we also have to uh, add the words, prepend the word using a space. Then we are going to extract the word is. So we extract the word is, and in the result, we are again going to do this. So the word that we extracted, we're going to add it using a space, and whatever was the result so far. So it would be what is your is, and we'll be adding a space, and the result so far is sky the. Then we are going to extract the word would be the, and the result we are going to prepend the word with the result so far. So the is sky the, and then we are going to extract the word blue, and the result would be blue the is sky the. So how do we go about extracting the words? So what we can do is we can maintain a pointer, right? And we are going to keep incrementing the pointer until we find a character which is not a space. For example, this string contains some trailing spaces. So, and we have initialized this pointer with the start of the index, which is 0. We are going to keep moving this pointer to the right hand side until we find a character which is not space. So while s of I is not equal to space, we are going to keep on incrementing the pointer. Now I is pointing to a character which is not space, non-space character. So we are supposed to extract the word, right? We extract the word. So we let's say we initialize the word with an empty string. And what are we going to do now? We are going to keep on moving the pointer to the right hand side until we find okay, so this is as long as you're finding an empty string, we're going to keep on moving the pointer to the right hand side, and in the next while loop we would keep on moving the pointer to the right hand side until we do not find a space, right? And what are we going to do? We just want to append the character to the word. Now uh whenever you find a space, that means we have a word which has been extracted in this variable, And what we can do is we can just prepend this word in our result. So result would be word plus result, but we'd also have to add a space. And we're going to keep doing this while I is less than n, which where n is the number of the characters in the string. Right. So we need to consider some boundary conditions, like for example, if it was the first word, right? So in that case, if it was the first word, the result was initially empty string, and it would be, we do not want to add a space if it is the first word. So what we can check that if result is empty string, we can just store the word. Otherwise, we can add a space. And also, we would like to append the word only if word is not empty. If word is not equal to empty string, then only we would like to append the word. So yeah, this is it.